Good morning, dear kids. Today we are taking with our new chapter, that is interest. Many of you do not know what is interest. I guess it was there in our grade 7th, but still to make it little clear, for example, if you're taking 1000 rupees from me, okay, as a loan, आप मुझसे लेकर जा रहे हो, मेरी मनी आप यूज़ करोगे, तो क्या मैं आपको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट यूज़ करने दूंगी? नहीं, उसके ऊपर मैं कुछ चार्ज करूंगी, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज इंटरेस्ट. ठीक है, सपोज आप 1000 रुपीज़ मुझसे लोन लेकर गए हो एंड यू विल गिव मी बैक आफ्टर अ ईयर मे बी, एंड दैट आफ्टर अ ईयर यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गिव मी ओनली 1000. Maybe you will come and give me 1100. Okay, so I gave you 1000 but you returned me 1100. So this difference of rupees 100 is called as interest. Getting me? This is the interest, is the amount which is charged. Interest is the rate which is charged for utilizing someone's money. If you are using my money, then I have the complete right to charge you interest on it. Okay, so that's called as interest. इंटरेस्ट में आपके 4 थिंग्स होंगे. वन विल बी प्रिंसिपल, वन विल बी योर प्रिंसिपल, वन विल बी योर इंटरेस्ट, वन विल बी योर टाइम एंड वन विल बी योर रेट. दीज 4 थिंग्स विल बी योर मेन ऑब्जेक्ट. मतलब कोई भी चीज़ इसमें से मिसिंग होगा, एक कोई चीज़ मिसिंग होगा, बाकी 3 चीज़ें आपको दी होंगी एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द मिसिंग थिंग. ओके, शैल वी स्टार्ट प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 एंड दैट सेज. Okay, first I'll give you what is the formula for finding interest. Interest is principal into rate into time upon 100. Clear? So this is how we will find our interest. Sometimes principal is missing, so principal is interest into 100 upon rate into time. Sometimes rate is missing, so rate is interest into 100 upon principal into time. Sometimes time is missing, so it is interest into 100 upon principal into rate. Clear? So these are the main formulas for your entire chapter. One more thing I'll make it clear, that wherever, suppose for example I have given you rate is 10% per annum. Annum means per year. Okay, sometimes rate will be given to you per month. Sometimes rate will be given to you per month. In that case, the time period which will be given to you, you have to convert it into months. Okay, yes. Sometimes the time period will be given to you in the form of months. Like आपको दिया जाएगा कि आपने लोन लिया है दिसंबर से लेकर जुलाई तक. Then you have to count the number of months and you have to convert them into year by dividing 12 and you have to use in your problem. Okay, slowly and gradually when we will reach to these problems, I'll be explaining you. Okay, shall we start problem number 1? And it says rupees 750. So principal is rupees 750. In 3 years, find the interest. You have to find the interest and amount. Okay, interest and amount on rupees 750 in 3 years. So time period you want to put it T, 3 years, 4 months. Okay, at rate of interest as 10%. See, now you have to first convert your time period. See what we can do. 3 years plus 4 months. The months you have to convert into years by dividing with 12. Once you got 3 plus 4 upon 12, you have to take the LCM and get the value. 36 plus 4 upon 12, that will make 40 upon 12. You can reduce by dividing it in 4 table. 4, 10, 4, 3. So your answer for time period is 10 upon 3. Kids, what they do? उन्होंने क्या करते हैं बच्चे बहुत सारे 3 plus 4 7 डाल देते हैं उसमें. No, you cannot do like that. If you have been given 3 years 4 months, so you have to convert your months into years and then take the LCM, then take that time 10 upon 3 into your problem. Okay, so further we will solve. Interest is PTR upon 100. Your principal was 750. Your time period was 10 upon 3. Your rate was 10 upon 100. Yes, my dear kids, is it clear? Okay. Shall we jump on further? Yes, you can reduce this 250. So it will be 0 cut. So your answer is 250. This is your interest. Now you have to also find amount. What is amount? Principal plus your interest. Your principal was 750. Your interest is 250 and finalize your answer will be 1000. You have to put the symbol rupees here. Clear? Okay. We'll jump on to problem number 2 and it says find the interest and amount on 5000. So principal is 5000. Time period है 23rd December to 29th July 2012. 23rd December 2011 to 29th July 2012 and your rate is 8%. My dear kids, here you have to calculate time. 23rd December से आप लेंगे कहाँ तक? 29th July तक. Okay, let's start. For the month of December, we will take, see, listen. Always you have to remember, suppose for example December के आप ले रहे हो तो दिसंबर के 23rd, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So you are getting December as 9 days. But the day when you have taken the loan, you cannot calculate that day for taking interest. तो आपको दिसंबर का एक दिन कम कैलकुलेट करना है. Are you getting my point? So instead of 9 days, for December I'll take 8 days. For January I'll take 31. For February I'll take 29. Why 29? Because 2012 का February है and 2012 is a leap year. So these things will be coming into your problems and you have to realize that this is a leap year. So I have to take February not 28 but 29. Clear? Then March usual 31. Then April usual 30. May 31, June 30 and July only 29 because 29 days के बाद 29th जुलाई को आप रीपे कर रहे हो. तो ये सब जो दिन हैं ये सबको आपको ऐड करके टाइम पीरियड बनाना है. जब आप ऐड करेंगे you will get 219. So now this is in days and when you want to convert your days into years, that will be upon 365. So your time period will be taken as 219 upon 365. Is it clear? Now we will start with the problem. Interest, उसी problem का continuation कर रहे हैं. Interest is PTR upon 100. Yes. Principal is, what was the principal? 5000. Rate was 8 and 219 upon 365 was your time period and ये 100 formula वाला नीचे. Okay. Once you calculate this, you will get interest and then you have to find amount. Amount is principal plus interest. Can you do that? The calculations will be your part, my dear kids. I'll tell you amount का final answer will be 5240. Okay. For your checking, for your reference, I will give you the answers. Calculative part will be your job. Okay. I'll jump on to problem number 3 and it says principal is 2600. Rate is 1% per month. See now per month दिया हुआ है and here you have been given time period as 2 years and 3 months. Before also starting of the chapter I said you if your rate is given per month, that means you have to convert your years into months. So in 1 year 12 months, in 2 years that will be 24 months. Okay. Plus this 3 months extra, so that will be total time 27 months. Clear? So how you will find interest? PTR upon 100. Principal is 2600. Time period is 27 months. Rate is 1% upon 100. And you have to get the answer for interest as well as amount. I'll give you the answer for amount. 3302 will be your answer. I'll be checking your answer sheet, so be very careful while doing it. Okay. Next problem number 4 says principal is 4000. Time period is 1/3 years. See what you mean by 1/3 years. ये होता है 1 year प्लस 1/3 ईयर. अब 1 ईयर तो ठीक है, 1/3 ईयर मतलब 1/3 इंटू 12, 1/3 ईयर. ओके, सो दैट विल गो फॉर 1 ईयर प्लस 4 मंथ्स. मंथ्स में हो गया ना ये, ठीक है. तो 1 ईयर आपका 12 मंथ्स होता है plus this 4 months, so that will come for 16 months in all. So you got your time period as 16 months. Okay, what is the rate given here? We did not consider the rate. It is given 2 paisa per rupee. What do you mean by 2 paisa per rupee? That is 2% per मंथ का दिया हुआ है. 2 पैसा पर रुपी मतलब 2% और पर मंथ के हिसाब से दिया हुआ है. कैन यू गेट इट नाउ? इन मंथ्स यू हैव ऑलरेडी कन्वर्टेड योर टाइम. सो यू हैव योर प्रिंसिपल, यू हैव योर टाइम एंड यू हैव योर रेट. You will calculate your interest and you will calculate your amount. The final answer for your amount is 5280. Clear? We will jump on to problem number 5 of the day, and it says Rohit borrowed rupees 24,000 at 7.5% per year. So principal is 24,000, rate is 7.5%. How much money will he pay at the end of 4 years? 4 years means time period is given as 4 years. Isn't it easy? Yes. Can you give a try and get the answer? How much amount he has to pay to clear the debt? So finally you have to get the interest first, add to the principal and get the amount. Can you do that? Your final answer will be 7200. Yes. Problem number 6 of the day is the interest on certain sum is 1480. So interest is given this time 1480 in 2 years. So time period is given as 2 years at 10%. So rate is given as 10%. You have to find the principal. Have I not given you the formula for your principal? At the very start of the chapter, I have given you few formulas you can use. Finding principal, you have interest into 100 upon R into 2. T. Can you apply that formula and find that answer? Yes? Okay. So you can find that answer on your own. And your sum of money principal answer you will get 7,400. My dear kids, I am giving you answers for your reference. सो दैट ऐसा ना हो कि आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक भी नहीं है तो आप चेक नहीं कर पाएंगे, और ऐसा ना हो कि आपके गलत आंसर्स आपको लगे कि सही हैं. सो फॉर दैट आई हैव टू गिव यू द करेक्ट आंसर्स. ओके. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 7th ऑफ द डे. ऑन व्हाट प्रिंसिपल? सो प्रिंसिपल इज मिसिंग. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. सो इंटरेस्ट इज 7008 in 6 years 3 months. So now time period is given as 6 years and 3 months. Okay. Rate is given 5% per year. So if the rate is in year, you have to convert your time into years. So 6 years 3 months. 3 months means 3 upon 12 to convert into year. Once you got this, you have to take LCM and find this fraction, and here you will get something like this, 25 upon 4. So time period is 25 upon 4. Interest is given to you and your rate is there. Can you use the formula for principal? That is interest into 100 upon R into T. Once you do that, you will surely understand. Try to understand. जब आप टाइम पीरियड यहाँ पे 25 upon 4 डालोगे तो ये आपको पता है कि ये 4 ऊपर चढ़ जाता है, and then you have to calculate accordingly. Yes, my dear kids, can you do it? Yes. So I'll give you the answer for principal here will be 22425.60. If any problem you are not getting with the answer matching to my answer, you have to give me a call or you can message me. Okay. Problem number 8. Problem number 8 says find the principal. Again principal is missing and amount is given 4,000. This time amount is given, time is given 4 years and rate is given 6.25%. So can we take principal as X? So if I am taking principal as X, amount is 4,000. Do you know amount is principal plus interest. Yes, amount is 4,000, principal is x plus interest. So what is interest? 4,000 minus x. Yes, so now once you have interest है आपके हाथ में, you have to find principal. So what you have to do, I'll use that formula. Principal is equal to interest into 100 upon r into t. So interest is 4,000 minus x into 100 upon r. Rate is given as 6.25 and time period is given as 4 and principal we took it as x. When you solve this equation, many of you do not know how to solve this equation, so I'll help you out. You can do multiply this and this, 4,000 into 100 minus 100x upon 6.25 into 4. So you will do that. Okay, take this here into cross multiplication. ये माइनस 100x फिर बाद में सेकेंड स्टेप में इधर प्लस में चला जाएगा एंड वंस यू गेट दैट यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x as 3,200. Clear? If you are not getting, you feel free to give me a call or message me. Okay, problem number 9 of the day. At what rate %, so rate is missing, will rupees 630 produce an interest of 126. 630 प्रोड्यूस मतलब प्रिंसिपल है वो 630, इंटरेस्ट ऑफ 126, सो इंटरेस्ट इज गिवन इन 4 years, सो टाइम पीरियड इज गिवन. कैन यू नॉट यूज द फॉर्मूला फॉर रेट, दैट इज इंटरेस्ट इन 200 अपॉन p into t? Yes, can you do that and find the rate of interest, and interest will be 5%. Don't directly write the answers, you have to calculate them. I am jumping on to problem number 10 that says at what rate %, so rate is missing again, sum is okay, at what rate % will a sum double itself? Sum मतलब प्रिंसिपल डबल हो जाएगा, मतलब अमाउंट उसका डबल हो जाएगा. प्रिंसिपल जितना डाला था अमाउंट डबल हो जाएगा इन टाइम पीरियड 6/1/4 years. Okay, that is 25 upon 4 years. ठीक है, सम अगर आप 100 डाल रहे हो तो अमाउंट आपको डबल मतलब 200 मिलेगा. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? तो क्या हम प्रिंसिपल को 100 रखें, अमाउंट को 200 रखें? ओके, टाइम को 25 अपॉन 4 रखें एंड वी विल फाइंड द रेट. वी हैव फॉर रेट फॉर्मूला इट इज इंटरेस्ट इंटू 100 अपॉन p into t. I don't have interest. How to find interest? Amount is principal plus interest. So interest is amount minus principal. Amount you have taken 200, principal is 100. So interest will be 200 minus 100, that is 100. So here you will put interest as 100 and principal as 100. Time period as 6/1/4 मतलब 25 upon 4. This 4 will go up and you have to calculate. Your rate of interest will come as 16%. Calculation will be your part. So 10 problems you have to solve and submit. Okay, thank you.